What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torin and today we are in the mountains fishing the Old Man River here. Currently hiking down to the water. Looks like an absolute beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. Piper's with me. We also got a couple buddies, so hike down to some of the holes and get into it. I'm just gonna go see if I can see anyone. I'd come check it out here. That is a nice looking pool. Hey Piper? Whew. Beautiful. Might even be some dry fly opportunities up closer to the bank up there. Maybe some deep pool activity in here. Get at it.
Yeah. I just laid it in front of them like 6 times. I kept going and then finally walked in and took it.
Is it a nice one?
Yeah, dude. Thick, buddy.
We'll just let him go.
Okay.
Nice one.
Yeah, dude, right on this end, right where it lifts up, I see 3 or 4 just rising at a bunch of different shit.
Yeah. Oh. Fuck. Yeah, huge again. Oh, on a big stimmy. All right, re-rigged. I don't know if that one's gonna go after it again, but there may be more. Oh, there he is. Oh, 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 he took it. Yeah. He took the ant. Oh, it's a nice red one. Oh, it's huge. Shit.
You're strong.
Woo!
Damn, dude, that's a nice fish.
Dude, yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, bro.
Woo! Dude, I walked in and there was like 5 of them rising right there.
So at this point we saw a couple anglers downstream of us and decided to hike back to the car and find a new fishing location, basically into the mountains a bit more, into the headwater.
Well, like, it's all very similar.
Now, a lot of anglers may skip over a structure like this, but I myself have found quite a bit of success. As we can see here, it is about 1 to 2 feet of water just in some riffles here with lots of oxygen coming through.
Yeah. Oh, dude, he's huge. Woo! Dude, that's a slab. All right, let's let him go. Woo!
Now, as I continue downstream, I do identify this structure once again, 1 to 2 feet of depth with riffles all around.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That was a nice take, buddy. Oh, and you're already out. Should just let you go. Whoa, 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 I'll let you go. All right, all right, all right. Woo, that was sick. All right, guys, we are off the river. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We got into some amazing fish, into some beautiful places. What a place to come fishing. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more. And until next time, tight lines.